know her, well, and know her so well that I actually land up selling her not only artistry but a lot of other stuff from our business. So I'm not going to like go in a lot of detail because you know how women's are. I'm one of them. You know, the conversation can go for a little longer, but I have everything like this. How it is being displayed, not so much, but I actually have all my catalogs in place on my dining table. That's where I do the SAM, and I have all my catalogs. I'll just show you how and what all do I keep. There is one Oprah magazine which actually gives her artistry products. So that's an awesome credibility. Make sure that you have that. The other thing that I have is the jewelry. If she comes to my house wearing a funky jewelry, I know what is she. And believe me, you know, after doing so many SAMs, I actually realize how the person is just looking at them, you know, whether they are a jewelry person, they are not a jewelry person, you know, they like perfumes. You know, the person enters and you get vibes from them. So I have this handy. I obviously have the artistry catalog handy, and I also keep a gift collection set. This actually is really good, you know. I mean, uh, when they are not ready to buy anything, make sure you make them buy one of these, you know. So don't let them go without uh, buying anything. And the other thing which I usually like to do is, this is called a microdermabrasion system. So this includes a scrub, and it also includes a time-defined skin refinishing lotion. Uh, if people do not know what is micro-exfoliation system, I'm not going to go in detail right now, but you can definitely go and check it out what it is. So during this break, what I do is I just put a little scrub. You can give me your hand. Usually people are ready to give their hand. The other side, I just rub it, make them feel and make them smell it. And if they see a difference between the left hand and the right hand, there'll be actual difference. How do you like it? Have you tried it? No? It has actually jojoba seeds, which is considered to be really good for the skin. And you know, there are a lot of scrubs available in the market. There are a lot of them which are actually harsh for the skin, and people don't understand the importance of scrub and they start using it on a regular basis. That's what I used to do once upon a time. I thought, it's scrub, let's use it every day. So the result is you'll end up, if you have an oily skin, you'll end up getting a lot of pimples. So make sure that whatever scrub you're using, this one is really good, very, very gentle, and it really helps for your skin to boost it. And the other thing is, once I've already spoken with her and known from her what exactly she likes, according to that I'll give her samples once she's leaving the house. So we have these artistry bags. Make sure you have, all of you should have this in hand, you know. This is the smaller size and you also get a bigger size. So depending on the products that you're giving her, eventually when you give the products, make sure that you give it in this bag. And if she seems to be a cosmetic person, make sure that you make her go through the catalog of lipstick shades. You might also have the cosmetics with you. So now I'm done. It's almost dry. So what I'm going to do is actually remove her mask. So I'm just going to take this and people are too silent here. Don't want to be silent. Alright, so I usually, if it's really hot outside, I do one more thing, which is take a ice cube and put it in my hand in a soft towel and rub it on your face. It's really soothing for the skin. So I don't have it right now, but you can actually do it. You can check the Pure lines, before doing anything that I'm showing you here, because probably they have something else that they want you to do. So please do that. And